Amazon Christmas is running huge offers all over the world, but many of you might not know about the mega deals and big savings on items. Here, you'll find incredible discount of up 50% across all your favorite product categories. To make it even easier, we've rounded up 5 best air fryer on Amazon that you can save you a huge amount on Amazon, so don't forget to watch to the end. All the mentioned product deals links are in the description below. Number 5. The Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker is a game changer for home cooks. With Wi-Fi connectivity and a built-in scale, it takes the guesswork out of cooking. Just add ingredients and let the cooker adjust. Its 10-in-1 functions cover everything from pressure cooking and slow cooking to rice making and sautéing, making it incredibly versatile for daily meals. The 6-quart size is perfect for families, easily handling stews, roasts, and more. What sets it apart are the 500+ guided recipes accessible through the intuitive app, which walks you step by step and syncs cooking progress. Performance is impressive. Meals are flavorful, tender, and consistently cooked. Cleanup is straightforward with dishwasher-safe parts. Whether you're a beginner or a foodie, this smart Multi cooker simplifies complex dishes and inspires creativity, earning its spot as a must-have kitchen tool. Number 4. The Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Pro is a professional-grade tool that delivers restaurant-quality results at home. With 1200 watts of power, it heats water quickly and maintains precise temperatures for perfectly cooked proteins, vegetables, and more. The sleek black and silver design feels premium and sturdy, fitting seamlessly on any kitchen setup. Setup is intuitive. Clamp it to your pot, set your desired temperature, and let it work its magic. The precision and consistency are impressive. Steak comes out evenly cooked edge to edge, and fish stays moist and delicate. The unit operates quietly and efficiently, ideal for longer cooks. Pairing with the Anova app unlocks customizable programs and guided recipes, making sous vide approachable for beginners. Cleanup is simple, and the build feels durable. Overall, the Anova Pro is a reliable, high-performance sous vide cooker that elevates everyday meals to gourmet levels. Number 3. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6QT ClearCook Air Fryer delivers exceptional versatility and convenience for everyday cooking. The clear windows let you watch food crisp and brown without opening the basket, preserving heat and speeding up cooking. With customizable program options and 6 functions, crisping, broiling, roasting, dehydrating, baking, and reheating, this appliance replaces multiple kitchen tools. The generous 6-quart capacity handles family meals with ease, from golden fries to tender roasted vegetables. Controls are intuitive, and presets make it simple to get consistent results even for novice cooks. Cleaning is easy thanks to the non-stick, dishwasher-safe accessories. Heat circulates evenly, producing crispy exteriors and juicy interiors with minimal oil. Whether you're preparing snacks, meal components, or full dinners, the Vortex Plus ClearCook streamlines your workflow. Overall, it's a smart, reliable addition to any kitchen that enhances flavor and saves time effortlessly every day. Number 2. Instant Pot 4QT Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Mini Air Fryer. Custom program options, crisps, broils, roasts, dehydrates, bakes, reheats, 100+ in-app recipes, stainless steel, 4 quarts. Special feature, programmable. Color, stainless steel. Capacity, 3.79 liters. Material, stainless steel. 6 cooking functions, air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, or reheat with little to no preheating time, all in one easy appliance. Adjustable temperature. Dial it in from 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 to 205 degrees Celsius for perfectly crispy, golden, or gooey results. Your call. User-friendly operation. One-touch settings make everything from chicken wings to cinnamon buns ridiculously easy, while an intuitive touchscreen keeps you in the loop, showing each cooking stage at a glance. Compact yet capable. Small size saves counter space without sacrificing capacity. Its 4-quart capacity is perfect for up to 4 servings, ideal for students, singles, and small families. Even crisp technology. Achieve the perfect crunch with 95% less oil than traditional deep frying. Quick cleanup. No more fighting about who has to do the dishes. The non-stick air fryer basket make washing up effortless. Proven peace of mind. Includes safety features like overheat protection, auto shutoff, and more for worry-free cooking. Number 1. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6QT XL Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen companion designed for busy households. Its 6-in-1 functionality allows you to air fry, broil, dehydrate, crisp, roast, reheat, and bake with impressive consistency. The 6-quart capacity is ideal for families, easily handling fries, chicken, or vegetables in one batch. Meals cook quickly and evenly, delivering crispy results with little to no oil, making it a healthier alternative to deep frying. The intuitive digital touchscreen is simple to use, with preset programs that take the guesswork out of cooking. Cleaning is hassle-free, thanks to the non-stick dishwasher-safe basket. Overall, the Vortex Plus combines speed, convenience, and performance, making it a reliable choice for anyone who wants delicious homemade meals with minimal effort and maximum flavor every day.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.